Hi Libras, welcome to your zodiac reading. So this is going to be your reading for November 1st to the 15th. And if you've been following my channel, you know how I do these readings. I'll first look at the current energies so that we know where you are at, and if you know whether this reading is resonating with you, you should be able to relate to the current situation. And after that, I'll be looking at the outcome that you can expect in the coming 15 days. All right. So let us begin. Let's see what's going on with you currently, Libras. Current energies, what's going on with you currently, Libras? Okay. 9 of Wands, the Star. Five of Swords, Knight of Cups, 10 of Cups and 2 of Swords. Highly confused. Libras, what's wrong with you? You have a dream, then you become confused about that. You then choose something, then you again run away from that. You have to come to one conclusion. What do you want to do with your life? Like, I don't see you being sorted in your mind, right? And the problem is that your confusion will start to reflect in other aspects of your life as well. And that's what's happening here. So probably today is Saturday when I'm shooting this. So today you feel happy. Tomorrow you'll start feeling sad. So this temperamental behavior is a little not good for you, all right? How do you control this? You should sit for meditations. You should love your body. You should try to work out. Because see, these are basics that put you in a certain kind of a discipline. And that discipline right now is lacking in your life. One moment you're here, the other moment you're somewhere else. You're not taking care of yourself. And that's the reason, see, your mind also resides inside your body, right? I'm seeing that your body, mind, and your heart, everything is like all over the place at the moment. So you will have to have a routine in your life. And the point is that I think in today's generation, people consider routine to be boring, but trust me, to bring about the discipline in your life, you have to start putting yourself in a routine. Sometimes you have to push yourself to do certain things. I know that there are a lot of people who are creative and natural from inside, then so what? But still you have to have a routine in your life. Usually what happens, see, I'll tell you something about myself. I am a massive, or what should I call, avid thinker. Like I can just go, so for today, if I get into my thinking mode, I can sit and think for like 2-3 days and not do anything at all. But it's my duty and responsibility to pull myself out of that energy, because I can't keep only thinking, right? Like, okay, there can be like maybe a day in a week or two where I'm not wanting to do anything else but just think, because that also helps me stimulate my creativity in tarot. All right, so but that decision is mine. When I want to come up, I need to pull myself out of that energy. So Libras, I'm seeing that the reason why you keep fluctuating from one place to another is because you don't have a routine in your life, or you don't really let yourself be in a routine of sorts in your life. Okay? So at some point something gives you happiness, then that doesn't. and then you switch, then you move to something else. So, I mean, totally okay if you feel you want to be this way, but that's what it is. Now, if this resonated, let me see what you can expect in the coming 15 days. What can you expect in the coming 15 days, Libras? 7 of Pentacles. Yeah. You have to be in a completely different element to balance your life. This is not your element. You have to be earthy. You are air. Alright? At the moment, the need of the hour is to be earthy. You have to be stable with something. Okay? The Lovers, 4 of Pentacles. Yes. Knight of Cups and 9 of Swords. See, if you try to be frivolous, the universe will be frivolous. When I say frivolous, it basically means that you can't keep switching. And that's what you're doing probably. You're just switching. You're just switching one thing after another, one thing after another. That doesn't help you. You have to until the time you're not being able to figure it out, don't make a choice. Don't declare anything. Don't make a choice. Here I am seeing that you have to be stable. Stability is the need of the hour, and in the next 15 days I'm seeing that the universe is opening up this choice for you, that do you still want to be frivolous or you want to be stable? What do you want? I feel that you should be stable. The need of the hour is to be stable, because I see you confused only for the next 15 days as well, November 1st to the 15th. It's a decision that you need to make, that are you going to be frivolous or you're going to be stable? Choice is yours. When I say frivolous, it basically means just going with the flow, doing everything and anything, letting do hell with my body, do hell with anything. I'm not going to take care of anything. Be a rebellion without a reason. If you want to be that, you can. But that's a total decision that you need to make. Because your life ahead will be decided basis that particular decision. Alright? Now let's see what is the advice for you here. Rescue, coming to life. Reach out to someone. I think there is somebody who can help you come out of this stuck mud and understand where you need to go. You have to. I think this person can help you come out of this stuckness or the stuck situation that you're in your life. Okay? I am seeing that you're feeling stuck, and there are certain things in your life which are not moving, which makes you feel very uncomfortable. So here the point is that the stability factor is going to make you patient. Okay? You have to sit and write down today what are the parts of your life that are stable and what is not stable. And then focus more on the things that are stable. The unstable things right now don't have to be worked upon. Okay? So that is what I'm picking up for you, Libras. I hope this reading helped you. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. Also, I have 2 channels on Instagram. One is for tarot, the other one's for crystals. The links are there in the description box below. So you can check that out. And I will see you soon with more readings. Take care. Bye.